Hi everyone, welcome to Becky's Crafts and Goodies. Now today we've got another episode in our snack surprise box, and they've very kindly sent us another box this month. I know that Courtney, George and Ebony are really excited about opening this box. Last month they loved it, they absolutely loved it. I don't know if you've seen last month's video. I'll put the link for that in the description just in case you wanted to check it out. But they are so excited. As soon as this one arrived, they couldn't wait. So we're going to film it today. I'm just waiting for them to get home. But I've had a little sneaky peek inside. I'm not going to tell you what country it is, but I know what country it is. And the box, they've sent us the big box this time, and it's absolutely jam-packed. They're going to absolutely love it. Honestly, they really will. So thank you again to Snack Surprise for sending this. And if you want to get one of these, they do 3 types of boxes now. There's a mini one, then there's like a medium-sized one, and then a larger one. But I'll give you the proper names for them. And I'll put all the details in the description, so pop on and have a look because they're so much fun opening them. And we've also got a new edition of a golden buzzer this month. So if they're fantastic and they're like the most delicious thing they've ever tasted, they can hit the red buzzer, the special buzzer. So once they get back, we'll be tucking into this and we'll let you know what we think. So let's have a look. Right, so they're all back now and we're all ready. And we've got the box. Any guesses to what country it's going to be?
I really want it to be American or Japan.
Anything goes?
What did we have last time? Was it France?
Yeah.
Italy.
Oh, Italy would be good.
Yeah. Ebbs?
I don't know, I said something to Amber earlier, but I forgot what I said.
Okay, that's fine.
We both took a good guess and it was quite good.
Right.
What did I say to you last night?
I can't remember. I cannot remember, honestly.
Did I say Australia last night?
It might have been. Now we've got the buzzer. Ebony, press the buzzer and show us. Right, that's the magic buzzer. Everybody gets 1 press each. So if something is amazing, you absolutely love it, you get to press the buzzer
Use
once.
it wisely.
Yes, yeah. 1 go, because you can't change it. Once you've pressed it, that's it. You can't change it. So come on then.
Watch us all just do it.
There you go. Who's going to have a look?
I opened it last time, so...
Should we go down the line?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Turn it over.
I was going to say Sweden!
Sweden!
Yay! Let me just show them this book.
Guys, it's crisp sandwich time.
There's so much in there. It's fab because they tell you a bit about each country.
Put them extra buns in them so we can have sandwiches with them.
And you now get a mini box, an original box, and you get a premium box. They've sent us the premium box.
Whoa! Right, for starters, we need some bread.
Okay, just go for
Should
it. Are you tipping it out?
Yeah. We'll empty the box.
It's hard coming onion.
That's so cool.
What's this? Oh, it's a strawberry milkshake.
Is it actually?
Yeah. Oh, what are these?
Full it is. Oh, this is so full.
Oh, they're like jammy dodgers but chocolate ones.
That's what I was going to say.
How are we going to eat all of this?
Easy. No
There's so
dinner for
much.
us. Guys, we've got a plot bar. We've got
2 plot bars.
Oh my god! This is my after school snack.
Cheers, Mum. Oh no, is that going to be licorice?
Oh, look how cool they look. I don't know because half the stuff on here there's stuff
This
that we've
is
got
insane.
now
This
this
is
even on the
insane.
list.
Yeah, because you get the premium box, but you also get everything previously. So you get everything from the mini box, everything from the original box, and the premium box.
Oh my
So you've now got to flick through because you've got all of that. That is loads. Let me just bring the camera forward just to show.
Yeah, George's licorice.
Look at it all. That is so much.
This is insane.
What are these?
Look.
Oh, I think they're going to be so good.
Right, let's take
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Right, where are you going to start?
These.
What are they?
I don't know, but they're exciting me. Dill and grasslock.
Potato
That's
chips.
definitely not what it's pronounced.
Potato chips flavoured with dill and chives for the unique and summery Swedish dill flavour.
Right. Okay.
The bag looks like it feels weird.
Ooh, they kind of just smell like ready salted crisps.
Yeah, they smell with a little bit of sour cream.
There's
Smell.
no sour cream.
No,
in it.
like
very
right at
salty.
the end, like it smells like that.
It smells like pickles. That's what it
No.
smells like.
They're crinkly.
The end
No,
smell
they
is,
just-
is when me and Dad went to Latvia. That's what the gherkin soup smelled like.
Ah.
That end little,
I
No way.
love gherkins.
that end little.
How are we gonna get through all of this? We're gonna get. It's gonna be like 7 o'clock.
You're gonna be rolling me to school.
You won't want your tea.
Right.
I will. It's bolognese.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh, I've already put it in my mouth.
Oh.
Mmm.
If I want cheese and onion,
Yeah.
Mhm.
Cheese and onion.
they're quite nice actually. I thought they were gonna be quite weird when I like read the packet,
That
but
is so weird. They smell nothing like they taste.
no, they smell like they're gonna taste really different, but they literally taste like a cheese and onion. They smell like really salty and taste like cheese and onion.
Mm.
They taste like something that I've had before, and I think it's just pickle.
You're having
Why do they
another
taste
one.
like quavers?
What score are you going to give them out of 10?
Mm.
I reckon a 7. They're pretty
Yeah,
I
nice.
reckon 7, 8. Yeah.
Oh, good. They've gone down well.
That'd be
Yeah,
a good
that's
start.
not nice.
Good start.
Strong start for the Swedish box.
Mm.
Second.
This is
What's
like
next?
fourth.
Are you going for Whose turn is it to pick? Go on, Ebs.
I want these. These are cool Hallon Scally Jeffrey
Things.
No,
I
it was
think
really
they
good.
they remind me of Percy Pigs. I don't know why.
They reminded me of Percy
I don't-
Pigs, the look,
I
but I
don't
don't
think-
think they're going to taste like Percy
I don't think
Pigs.
I'm gonna like these. I'm not gonna lie.
They are pink sour skulls that taste like fresh picked raspberries.
Oh, so is Scally Skull.
It's a skull, yeah.
Mm.
These are Halloween ones. It says at the bottom. Has a little pumpkin. It
Very.
says, it says Halloween.
Have they got gelatin in?
I think so.
Or is that gelatin free? Much
Does it
to.
have the V on the end?
Their skull. Raspberry sweet.
For Halloween.
That's what I thought.
I
Are they
actually think
gelatin free?
I'm pretty sure.
I'm excited about
Everything.
toffee filling. So this is toffee. I'm excited for everything.
George wants to eat the plot bar.
George
And
wants
And
to eat a
that,
bit of
and
plot.
that, and that. I want everything.
Right,
And
now
these.
we're going to open the raspberry skull sugary sweets.
I might buy the Swedish box from the box and then just take it home
Mm-hmm.
and just have it myself.
Strong packaging.
Rip it. Like
Yeah,
down
rip it
there.
there.
I don't like ripping bags of sweets out. Thanks, Audrey. Oh, well, they smell like something. What is
Yeah.
that?
Strawberry bonbons.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
We ready?
You sniffing.
He's
gonna
gonna
go
go. Oh, they're really sour.
They're
Yeah.
sour.
Yeah, that's
I'm
sour.
sinking my jaw.
Yeah, better than what I thought they'd be.
Mm.
Mm.
They kind of like start off with a really strong taste, and right, it was really sour, and then they just kind of.
And it kind of goes to weird bubble gum at the end.
They taste like at the end, you know those teeth?
Mm.
You get the toothbrushes and teeth.
Mm. I would rate
They're
them.
nice.
Was yours not really sour when you put it in your mouth?
Not that sour. I would rate them 5.5.
A 5 from me.
5, 6.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Courtney, what are you going to choose?
This. Cheese sandwich. Tomato and basil.
Basil. Basil.
Americans say basil.
Basil. Basil. No, because
You could have said tomato.
Tomato and basil.
Yeah, but it's spelled with an S.
Yeah, but we say basil.
Basil spelt with an S.
Well, your hamster's called
Basil is spelt with an S.
Basil. We say tomato and basil.
I think it is
Tomato and basil.
literally just what it says it is. Whole grain rye crisp bread sandwich with creamy filling of cheese, tomato and basil.
Oh, so it's like one massive thing, so we're going to
I
have to
think
split
so.
it.
Or we can all eat it at the same time.
Do you reckon they have these for like a lunch?
It says the
Little
perfect
snack
snack
thing.
on the go.
Oh.
Oh.
It's kind of
In
split.
half. Oh, it comes in two.
Oh, well then if you split that, then we can split it like.
Oh, what?
So
Phoebe can have a bit though.
so
Can't
you
she?
get two, and they're like that.
I think it's like one big one, but they're in two halves.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells.
Smells like them pizza crackers we had last
Yes,
time.
it does.
So if you watched our last video, this smells exactly like the little like circular little pizza crackers we had. But like
They
the
were
cheese,
so good.
yeah,
nice.
it smells so good.
These smell a little bit cheesier.
You ready?
Yeah.
Crunchy.
They sound really crunchy.
Oh, proper crunchy. That's good. I'm unsure.
They look like they've got a cheese slice in the middle.
They taste like dairy donkers.
That's what I was gonna say.
Ah, yes.
But
See, I quite like this.
Yeah.
I don't know. But
Evan and
Really
George are not
not
so sure.
I'm a bit on the fence.
They're so crunchy.
I think because they're really crunchy, it's a
It
bit.
changes taste so much.
What are we voting?
I'm gonna give them
I know, probably-
3.5.
Probably a 4. I like them. I give them like a 7.
Oh,
Would you
she
like
likes
that?
them. Right, okay. So, George, what are you going to pick?
These.
Polly?
They are Polly Original with a taste of chocolate, arak, butter toffee, and vanilla.
Ooh.
Description time, Courtney.
I'm trying to find it. But chewy foam drops covered with delicious chocolate. The original is flavoured with vanilla, arak, and butter toffee.
So you think they look like
Oh.
Hershey's Kisses?
They do a little bit. And they look a bit odd. Why are they like?
I think they're different colours.
Oh,
you
they're
know,
dark and white chocolate. I
Like,
don't
you know,
like dark
like when
chocolate.
you get milk.
Dark milk.
I
Yeah.
don't know, for some reason
Milk,
they remind me
not
of
white.
fruit and nut, like raisins.
They smell so good.
Oh, let's show the camera.
What would you
Look,
say?
I'll show you. I don't know if you can
Should we
see.
all try a milk one
There's
first
dark and then-
try a dark one?
They smell really good.
Let's have a sniff, please.
It's
Oh, they
melting in
smell
my
really.
hand.
They smell really nice.
Put it on the table.
Phoebe's behind the scenes. She's trying.
What?
Try some.
Chocolate.
Let's try milk one first.
That's what they're called. Look, Polly.
These
So what-
smell so good.
So we're all
Okay.
going to try the milk one first, and then we're going to try the dark one.
Quick, because I'm
Ready?
gonna try
Quick, 'cause
it.
it's melting.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no! That's such a disappointment.
Are they horrible? They said they taste like vodka. I don't know how she knows
They
that.
taste like, I'd
How do you know
imagine,
what vodka tastes like?
They taste like a spirit.
they taste
they?
alcoholic.
Do
They
they?
really do.
They're not a liqueur then, are they?
How do you
Baileys.
know what?
Baileys.
How do you know what vodka tastes like? That's what I want to
I
know.
just smelt it before.
Oh, okay.
I was so excited about these, and now
I imagine this is what a polystyrene like foam ball
What is
tastes
arak?
like.
What is
I have
arak?
no idea.
that is something that I don't like.
These remind me of when you've had a chocolate box and stuff at Christmas, and these are the ones that are left, and then you just eat them. Do you like them, Phoebe? Phoebe's
I
likes them.
unfortunately.
I don't think they're too bad.
Oh,
What is it?
arak is a distilled alcoholic drink.
Ah, there we
You're
go.
not having any more of these.
I had two.
There we go then. Let's leave the dark chocolate. What score
Yeah.
are we going to go
Oh,
for?
yeah.
A
A
2.
2.
Two.
Thing is, now I know that they're alcoholic, it
She
makes
wants
more
more.
sense.
You
Yeah.
want them now, don't you?
I don't want them because I don't like them, but it makes more sense when you know that they're alcoholic.
Yeah.
I think maybe if they're your kind of thing, you'll like them, but then not personally.
If you're really into Baileys and liqueurs, you would like them, but I'm not.
See, I like Baileys, and I didn't mind that.
Oh my god, they what's it? Cheese doodles.
Doodles.
Sorry, I couldn't read it. Thought it said something different.
I guess they're just the Swedish version of what's it.
They literally are.
Ooh.
Courtney will read us the description and see
yeah.
if it's right.
They are crunchy, mild cheese flavoured corn puffs.
Yeah.
They are one of Sweden's favourite snack and a packet sold every 3 seconds.
So
They're
we're
like
Wow.
right
Cheetos
now.
as well then.
Right now.
You'll like these foods, you love Cheetos, don't you?
Ready?
No.
Don't you
Yeah.
like them, George?
They're plain. They don't taste cheesy.
I quite like them.
Maybe you need like more.
They're really good.
I prefer what's it.
George, these taste exactly like what's it.
No, they don't. They're not as cheesy. I don't think they're that good.
Phoebe's dying.
They're
for
so
chocolate.
good. If you like what's it or Cheetos, 100% they're
Stick to
so good.
Cheetos and what's it.
What number are we going to give them? What are we going to score?
9.
Okay, 9.5.
7. They were good, but I think what's it and Cheetos are still there.
Right, what are you going for, Courtney?
Still so much stuff.
That.
Yes!
It is nougat.
Nugget.
A light and exquisite almond, I don't know how you say it. Creamy hazelnut.
Is it right way up?
Yeah. We get a light and a dark.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. That'll show you.
They're in one. It's half light, half
Yeah,
dark.
look.
Oh,
So
that's
on that
really
side
cool.
it's light and that side it's dark.
Hmm.
It's like-
Is it a wafer?
Right there, if you know.
No. It's like fudge, but not.
I'm gonna have to cut it because it's like it's melting when I went to try and take it out.
Doesn't look like anything I've like seen.
It looks
before.
like fudge.
Yeah, it literally just look like
Yeah.
fudge.
The way you're cutting it there.
It looks pretty cool.
I'm
I
gonna
like
Oh,
what it looks
smells
like.
good. Oh, it's really melting. No.
It looks like it's going to be really tasty.
It's really nice.
It's really almondy.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not what I thought it was going to be.
I thought it's going to be more chocolatey than almondy.
That's really good.
You like it?
It's alright though.
It is really good.
It reminds me a bit of a Kinder.
I was just about to say that.
Like a Bueno.
There's something I've had and it tastes literally just like this. The Guylian,
Oh, the chocolate.
yeah,
Mm.
that's literally exactly what they taste like.
It's actually pretty good. The
Mhm.
first bite I was a bit unsure because it didn't taste like I thought it was going to taste. But the more you eat, the more like...
What are we going to go for? What scores?
I'm just going to press the buzzer.
Oh! You enjoyed it.
It's so nice. Like,
Yay!
I don't know.
So you give it a 10
I'll
then,
give
yeah?
it a 10. That's a solid 10, that is.
I'm going to give it a 6.5 because it was actually alright.
I'm going to give it an 8.5. It was good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Golden buzzer for the
6.5, maybe a 7.
That's cool.
Don't
Right,
give into peer pressure happening.
George, your turn. We've got so much.
That's what some sort of fire bar. What is
I'm
that?
so excited
Okay.
for this.
Move that.
It's called Dumler Snacks Original.
Ooh, that looks really good.
I probably pronounced that horrifically.
Delicious chocolate and sweet toffee combined with crispy rice, which will give you the energy when you need it.
Ooh. That looks good.
Because looks like a toffee crisp.
Oh, I love toffee crisps.
Never
I've
had
never
one
had
before.
toffee crisp.
Oh, listen to
ASMR.
that.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh.
Scared.
You can't press the buzzer anymore.
No,
Here's
I'm
it.
Good
good. I'm
inside.
good with my choice.
Let me see.
That looks nice
It's not
inside.
Ready? Yeah.
That is so good. That is so good.
Courtney, do you regret buzzering? No,
No.
you're happy with your choice.
That is really good.
That's a 10 from George.
I'm in love.
Mhm.
Is that worth going to Sweden to get some of those?
Yeah.
I can't believe how many snacks you get, and the price is not actually that
It's
bad.
really good.
You imagine buying all of these individually
Yeah.
and then shipping them here. It
I
would
know.
cost
It would cost far more than that.
And-
yeah.
they donate money to a good cause. So
Yeah.
I think it's a win-win personally.
Yeah, I do
Snacks
too.
at a cheap price, and you're helping a charity.
It's so nice to see different snacks as well, isn't it?
There it is.
So that's the winner.
When
The
I
only-
get chicken donut.
The only golden buzzer person left is Ebony. She's hanging on. She's waiting for the plot bar, I reckon.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, well, this one don't have anything to press it for.
You in a
Should I
daydream?
Press it for my, should I press it for my oxets?
Why don't you try a drink?
Yeah.
Why don't you try one of the drinks?
So rating them.
Oh, yes.
I
Oh,
rate
yeah.
that an 8. That was really good.
10.
8.
Good marks, good marks.
So we're going to try a drink now, because I'm actually going to pick this one because strawberry milk is my favourite. Isn't it, Mum?
See, it's not strawberry milk.
What is it?
It's a strawberry drink.
A
Ooh.
strawberry drink.
There's a twist in the tail.
There's been a twist.
Or is
What
it
is
gonna be
it?
like my Aldi's flavoured water?
Enjoy the still strawberry flavoured juice drink by Mare.
I think it
A
could either be
popular
really good or
classic
really bad.
Yeah, it's either going to be really, really good or disgusting. Should I push it out like this?
Yeah, I was gonna say
Are
that.
you
Oh
really?
god, it's hard to get in.
I'm sure you're doing that the hard way.
No, they really are.
They are, aren't they? Why don't you just lift the flap up and cut a bit?
Because we like to make life difficult for ourselves.
Oh, it smells like strawberry yogurt.
Oh dear me.
Ebony's
Ebony's
going
going
all
all
over
over
the
the table.
I can't see out the eye.
Might actually try it.
Yeah.
That tastes like laxative.
Laxative.
She's not wrong.
I made myself cry.
It just doesn't. It tastes weird.
Ooh. That's awful.
It's like laxative, doesn't it?
I don't
Try.
know.
Fee.
Try a little bit of that one. There's not much juiciness going on, is
No.
there?
Well, let's
Like it just doesn't taste like anything.
I thought it was going to be strawberry.
You'd have to be
milk.
quite thirsty, wouldn't you, to drink?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like on a desert island.
Do you want to
I would say.
sort these out?
I'll personally give that a 1.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not my cup of tea. I'm really sorry.
Like there'll be someone out there that really loves that, and that is their
Like,
favourite
I feel
thing
like
ever.
Alfie might like that.
Mm.
Like maybe it's not a like
One of
maybe
his
it's
toddler taste.
Well, keep him regular.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah. Personally, I'm giving that a 1.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
To help you with the number
1.5. I'll go in the middle of both of you.
So let
Cool.
down.
twos. Okay, what's next?
So okay, good.
They do look juicy, they do. They
Don't
look
remind
nice.
me, what are them things that we can get here that look like that? You know, like you
Yeah.
get the sour
Some
cream.
bites.
No. Oh my god, you know
They are
what
like some bites though.
Yeah.
They're crunchy.
Like the hummus chips.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we sell
Wow,
they sell them in
piercing.
Morrison's.
I think you'll like those.
Yeah, so do I.
These are crunchy lentil, literally those things, lentil chips. Are a healthy snack with 40% less fat, flavoured with sour cream and onion.
The crisps always seem to be a
Because
winner.
that's what you get. You get the sour cream and whatever yeah thingy bites. I feel like it's gonna be really tasty.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think they're going to be nice.
Oh my god, they smell so good.
Okay, remember we ate like all of those.
Oh, that's
that
not
whole
hard,
bag.
Mark.
One.
A hefty one.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Nice.
They're so good.
They're toasted.
If I hadn't have buzzed for my nugget nougat.
Crunchy.
These are so good.
We've got a
I
handful.
didn't mean to get that many.
Keep all munching. Mine and Phoebe's mouth watering this
That's
side
so
of the
good.
camera.
They're really good.
Oh my god.
There you go, guys. Help yourself. There you go, Phoebes.
They've got such a good strong taste.
Mm-hmm.
Right. You know, when you like buy something and it's like advertised on the packet, something doesn't taste like it at all. Like this tastes like what it says it does exactly.
Yeah. I could eat the whole pack of those easily.
I think I rate these. I think I rate these a 9.5.
I'm going to say 10.
Oh, you like them, George?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're really good. No, minus 0.5 points because I feel like it's like you need to brush your teeth or have a bit of chewing after. So don't eat them at school.
Yeah.
But they're really
Eat them
good.
at school.
I'm going to go for these because I'm really intrigued. They're like biscuits.
Ballerina biscuits.
Ballerina
They're
biscuits.
so cute.
They are. Double vanilla biscuit with a lovely
Lovely.
nugget
Ooh.
filling. Ballerina is one of Sweden's most loved biscuits.
Ooh.
Imagine us giving our most loved biscuit. Imagine us giving our most loved biscuit. What would it be? Bourbon or
Custard cream.
like a
Oh my god, that was so
digestive.
cool. Love a
Oh,
good digestive.
you can't go wrong with good digestive. But it's got to have milk chocolate on the bottom.
Milk chocolate caramel digestive. Have you not had the caramel milk
Oh,
chocolate?
don't
digestive?
touch the middle bit.
Hobnobs.
Don't touch the middle bit, it's chocolate.
Let's show them to the camera as well. Oh, so you've got
They taste
that
good.
colour on the top,
Taste.
Taste.
Well.
up there, and apparently that's chocolatey in the middle bit there.
Just went on my nose.
I just had a really strong smell.
Smells
of
nice.
something, like in particular, and now I can't smell it again.
It's basically in the middle is what we had on that bar a minute ago.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
At least we know we haven't got Rona because we can smell it.
Mm.
Okay.
Could you dunk them?
Yeah.
No,
I can
No.
dunk mine.
the
You
middle
dunk
would float out.
You can dunk anything if you want to dunk it.
These are really good.
Is that really good?
Should we try dunking?
Oh my god, good. Give me one. We're going to pass
Hey.
it through. No, put it down recording, quick. Back then.
Oh.
Making your tea.
Okay.
Hi. Ready for a nice cup of char?
Tea?
The teas are in.
Right, that's
Is that one
that's
mine?
yours,
Oh,
George.
this is
Sorry,
mine.
that's
Okay.
Courtney's.
It's my
Here, and this is yours. And here, nice brew for you all. Right then, are we going to test the dunkability?
Yeah.
You need to count how many
Dunk very
seconds
well.
you can dunk for.
Oh.
Hobnobs
what?
are the champion
No, but I don't want to
dunkers.
do that because I actually want to drink it. I don't want to drop it in.
See how far you dare go.
Okay.
The middle won't last long. The middle is melty.
Courtney, you're not even dunking that.
I am, look, you can see.
Get the middle in.
Oh yeah.
Ebony, what you fell asleep
Oh,
with
the
yours in
middle's
there.
melted.
Oh no!
Honestly, mine's fine.
No! Yeah, no, sorry!
Mine lasted really long actually.
Oh.
That's hot, that's hot, that's hot. Look, the chocolate goes so cool,
Oh,
maybe.
they're not very dunkable.
No. No, my tea's gonna be all.
Damn it, why don't you drink that?
I'll get you a spoon to fish it out.
Oh, yeah.
The outside bit is quite nice
Mm.
when you dunk it.
I'm gonna try it, but like don't dunk it for long.
Oh, look. It's nice to dunk, isn't it?
Mhm.
I actually can't scoop mine out.
I've
so
got
I should
all
be
mine
drinking
out.
it.
What do you put it on here for?
Oh,
When you just normal dunk it, and not like
Quick dunk.
not like try and keep it in for ages.
They're quick dunk
Really nice.
biscuits.
It's nice if you. I had mine in there for quite a while though.
But you're fishing it out the bottom.
No, but you know, it was in there for a while before it fell in.
Yeah, but that's because you were just holding it like this. I tilted it like that.
They're good.
Oh, I had mine all the way down, not halfway in. Whose turn is it now? Mine.
Are we
Wait,
scoring?
there's
Did we score these? Have we
No.
done it already?
Oh, I can't remember if we scored.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
Score the ballerina biscuits.
7.
9.
7.5.
Cool.
My next choice. So my next choice is going to be this Jack bar because it reminds me of a Mars bar, and it says milk chocolate with cocoa meringue and caramel.
Yeah.
What is that?
That, what you said.
So it's exactly what I said. Let's cut it open. I get your problem.
It looks quite Mars bar-y.
Yeah.
It looks like a mini Mars
The
bar.
packaging looks like, you know when you go to Aldi and you're like,
The
oh,
tiny
yeah,
bars.
That's what the packaging is.
Yeah. It does.
That's what it is.
They're not as tall as, well, I say
No.
wide, fat
Well, that was
as
cheating.
Mars bars, are they?
Right, we're gonna. That's literally a Mars bar.
Oh.
You can't really get. You have to cut them in half now, don't you? You have to give one bit to Phoebe.
Nobody wants it all.
You're so quick to judge.
Okay.
Yeah, it literally is. It's a Mars bar.
That's literally a
It
Mars
is a
bar. Ready?
Yeah, Mars bar. Mmm. The nugget bit is a bit harder.
It's not a Mars bar,
No.
but it reminds you of a Mars bar, but it's really good.
Ebony, are you liking it? You saving yourself for the plot bar?
Second myself for the pot.
Do you wish you'd have buzzed on the cheese doodles?
I don't know if that's really nice. I really like that.
I really like it.
Drum roll.
It's really good.
Now we have no more golden buzzers.
That's the golden buzzer for the video, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
Okay, what's next?
It's Courtney's go.
Well, I'll rate it an 8.
Oh, we
Oh,
did
yeah.
score.
Oh,
yeah. I forget.
So
we've done a
obviously,
golden buzzer.
I rate it a 10.
I'm going to say 8 as well. That was
High
really good.
scores on the Jack bar.
Alright, I'm going to go for these.
What are they?
Just ready for a
Grill.
crisp, I think.
A bag of
They
grill.
look like.
I'm thinking balancing out the sweet, the salty, because that was quite
Yeah.
sweet. Pickled potato crisps with a taste of onion.
They look
that's
like they'd
obviously
be
not
really
just so
salted.
Ooh.
So we have cheese and onion. Are they just
Oh.
like plain and onion? Plain and onion?
Just onion.
Onion
Oh,
crisp?
it's
Salt
just
and
onion
onion.
in
Salt and
there.
onion.
Salt and onion.
They just smell like salt, really salted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was-
That's in shape of a heart, Courtney. Kind of.
a little bit.
Oh, no, they are in your ring.
Oh. Oh. Mm. I like those.
They're nice.
I'm a fan.
Crisps have been quite good today.
Mm.
Crisps are always a winner with you three.
I rate the crisps from Sweden.
Mm.
Guys,
You worked it out, haven't you?
So.
crisp sandwich.
I'm
Not
literally gonna say
again!
that. No, Mum, that'd be so good in a crisp sandwich. Can you put the bread? Can you put the bread?
Yeah, keep it in the bread this time.
You were gonna say that.
So good.
You can't eat more crisp sandwiches.
You've already had Dr. Cup of Tea.
Oh, we know. Yeah, Mum, we wanted feedback. Show variety.
You're not going to eat your tea.
Yeah, we will. Watch us.
It's only quarter to 6.
heard you were a wild one.
Right, so you got a whole slice of Becky.
She's gonna ask for brown sauce again. She's not getting it.
I'm so sorry. Oh, yes, did you eat it? Oh, no.
Oh, I didn't give you the end bit. Sorry.
Damn it.
You got it buttered this time.
Yeah,
right?
buttered.
It's not going to be enough left. You might have to like go for some of these to pad it out.
They've got onion too anyway. Can't they say you're done anyway?
You can't have a crisp sandwich every surprise box you
Yes,
have.
we can.
squash them down like Phil taught me.
I have to say, I asked people what their favourite crisp flavour were, and cheese and onion
You told me to
won
stop. You've
hands
got more in
down.
there than
No, I haven't. Look.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. This is really good bread as well.
It's Aldi bread. Bread's bread.
Mm.
I got slated last time for crunching them.
By who?
You squash. You like you're sitting on them.
Yeah, listen, I like it.
Mmm.
Are they crisp sandwich worthy? Sammy worthy.
Yeah. What else did we put in the sandwich last time? Because these might be better.
Ready
The
salted.
chicken.
Yeah,
think
ready,
these are
you put
better.
ready salted in, didn't you? Or was it the chicken?
Really salted one.
Oh.
Mm.
Might
You're
be.
munching.
Might be because we buttered the bread.
Mm-hmm.
That might be a game changer.
You're doing your hands again.
I was doing it off camera.
But that is tasty,
Mm.
as you can tell.
So good. Sweden is great. I rate this more than the French one.
Do you prefer it? Yeah.
Mm.
Not just because you've got more, just because you
No,
like
no.
the stuff better.
I prefer the
Yeah.
things. What do you drink now?
Have a bit of your cup of tea, but it's got stuff floating in it.
You want that chop?
Right. So next, I'd pick this one, and I think.
Oh, we didn't rate them.
Oh yeah, we need to rate them.
So I rate those a 8. I thought they were really
I'm gonna
good.
just say 9. They were really good.
Actually, I think a 7, not in a crisp sandwich, 8 in a crisp sandwich.
9, not 9.5 in.
I don't know. They weren't my favourite, but in a crisp sandwich they were alright.
Oh, I loved them. I think they were
So-
so good.
They are definitely crisp sandwich material. And
Yeah.
I think with that, I think a 7.
Right. This is next. Is that how I do it? I think it's just normal chocolate, just like their version of like a Milka bar.
Yeah.
It looks nice, that does.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does. Courtney?
that's what it is. It's
Just
just
chill
chocolate.
out.
Yeah.
It looks like it breaks really nice.
Cool.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Smooth. Like galaxy looking.
Mm.
Smells quite nice.
Mm. Let's go. Mm.
Chocolate.
Yeah, I thought that was chocolate.
Yeah. Nice.
It's nice chocolate.
Nice as Cadbury's or not as nice as Cadbury's?
I'd say it's better than Dairy Milk.
Mm. The thing is, it's not as sweet as dairy milk.
No, so it's good.
Mm.
So like, if you don't like how so like Jack can't eat dairy milk because it's so sweet it hurts his teeth.
Mm-hmm.
But I think that he'd like this because it's not as sweet. It won't hurt.
It's kind of like a Milka bar. I'd have Milka.
Mm.
It's quite nice.
Nice. What are we going to rate it?
8.5.
I'll say 8.
Yeah. Popular.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Everybody's enjoying a cup of tea. What's next, Debs?
I've been eyeing up this the whole time. No one saw me. Should we pull this out as soon as I did it? It feels.
They're called snowballs, aren't
No,
they?
it feels different.
Not like a snowball.
Mm-mm.
Let's just show the camera. Over here we have something called a snowball. Hang on, let me get it right there. And they're like that. And they've got like a marshmallow inside with chocolate and coconut on the top. But this feels a lot heavier than a snowball.
Next is obviously this, what Mum showed you. Have you read what it is, Courtney?
It is a delicious chocolate ball with a mocha flavour rolled in coconut. It's perfect with a cup of coffee.
Oh. It's definitely not
Whoa.
a
that's
snowball.
Oh, smell that.
Whoa, smell that.
It's not like coffee.
That
chocolate
is,
coffee.
that's so strong. Guys, give it a sniff.
Oh, that is coffee. That is really, really coffee.
That smells
It's
really
just
strong.
coconutty there. I don't know if you can see it. Probably it's not focusing that well. Carl's stealing all their snackage.
They're
Is
nice.
the knife still there, guys?
No,
No.
we seem to have lost it.
Spicy.
Spicy, sour. See, I told them they were sour. Everyone else said they weren't sour, but I said they were.
Who's had the golden buzzer?
All of
We've
us.
all done it.
What you put through?
I said golden buzzer for this like Mars bar-y thing.
What you put through to
I-
the next
I
round?
Put it for like a toffee crisp kind of thing with caramel in, but it was so good. It was so
Well,
good.
mine was like the nugget thing.
Like, you
Have you introduced that one yet?
Plop.
Yeah.
No,
Not
you can
yet.
have some of that in an introduce. What
Dad-
you an X Factor?
Introducing Plop Bar.
It was a plot for his next round. Oh, that made it. Oh, I I don't think I want to eat this.
The middle
That looks like a
burnt
plot bar.
It looks like burnt chocolate.
Listen to the noise it makes. Everyone should. Really remember, listen to the noise it makes.
Oh. No, it sounds like magic sand.
Yeah.
It probably is magic sand.
Oh right, I'm taking this small bit.
It really is coffee flavoured, isn't it?
Oh, I love coffee. This is so good. Right, let's go.
I can't have my bit.
I don't want no
My
tea.
bit.
Are you going to try it, Dad?
That's so good.
I can't eat it because I don't like it.
I don't like eating coffee things, so I don't like drinking it.
It's got coconut in it.
The texture's a bit
It's
weird.
really weird.
Mm.
It's like just a ball of sugar with a flavour of coffee.
It's really
That
nice.
is
though.
exactly what it is.
You're not keen, Ebs, no?
No.
I like it.
Spat it out.
It's alright.
What are we giving it?
A 1.
I don't know, that's alright
I
that.
don't
Yeah.
really like it.
I'm gonna say an 8.
Also, I think the texture. Sometimes I don't like foods as well. It really pisses me off because the texture. You know, like mushrooms. Remind me of slugs. Can't eat them.
I don't like coconut. It's
Oh,
really
I like
coconut.
coconut and I like coffee and I like chocolate. So
I
It's a
didn't-
winner for you,
I
George.
didn't actually eat it.
Has everybody numbered it? Scored?
A 1.
I'll give that a 3 or a 4, I would.
That's
Out of
bad,
5,
Carl.
Out of 5 or 10.
Out of 10.
Out of
10.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd give that a 7 or an 8, I would.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll
7
give
or
it-
an
yeah, I'll
8
give
for
it an
Dad.
Yeah.
Courtney?
I don't like coconut.
What are we
So
going
it's
for?
1.
1.
An 8. 8 for me.
There we go. Phoebe, you can try some.
Tutti frutti. Oh, we've got them in England.
Let's go for these. I don't know what they are.
I was reading them earlier.
Well, it says they are small fruity marshmallow sweets in a delightful shape of a little car.
Oh, Alfie'd like little
That's what I
car
was literally about to say.
sweets.
Car, they are the most popular car in Sweden.
Oh.
Popular
the actual
car?
The car that they're shaped in, I think.
Oh, we
That's
need to
so
see
cool.
that. Let me show the camera.
They
It's
smell
sort
a
of
bit like milk bottles.
It looks like a character off Monopoly. You know what I
No.
mean?
Yeah,
Go
gosh.
green one, Ebs.
I'm going green.
There you go, Phoebe. You have that one.
Okay.
Ready?
They are just little marshmallows.
Don't you like them, Phoebe?
No, it doesn't.
Don't taste them much, she says.
They're just like little like sweets. I swear we have
They're
something
quite-
like that over here.
Yeah, we do. You know
They're
them.
quite minty.
You know the toothbrushes you can get.
You've had toothbrush and teeth.
Yeah, they taste like that.
You know
the stick
the-
of a toothbrush.
Do they leave a little like in your mouth like it's a bit minty? Or
That's
is
the
that just me
toothbrush.
going mad?
Yeah,
I'll have a
yeah.
white one.
Like they leave a little like, you know, like when your mouth
That's
is a bit
creamy.
cool after you've eaten mint. That's what they taste. That's what they leave in your mouth.
Yeah, do.
I'm gonna go for the pop bar.
Oh, we're
Yes,
doing it.
George. You get 2 plops, so you can
Should
cut.
we open 2 and cut them in half?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe Dad wants a bit of plop as well.
Yeah, cut them into 3 so Phoebe can have.
This is what it looks like.
Phoebe's only 4.
Show them what it looks like, George, when you open it.
Just have them in half. Dad won't be bothered.
I'll only have a little bit.
Oh,
Is it?
Are they
what about
caramelly?
caramel in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
It says
I don't really know. Oh, wait, Morgan, that smells like dairy milk.
plop stands for joy and nostalgia. This is delicious milk chocolate with a soft toffee filling.
That literally smell that. That smells like one that Cadbury's caramel bar.
Yeah.
Oh, I like those.
Okay.
Or the caramel
smell
Freddo.
that one that, yes.
It's on your chin, Ebs. It must be good.
If I didn't press that buzzer.
Would you be pressing it?
I don't know.
They're quite good. Not my favourite. They leave like a little bit of a grainy feeling in my mouth. Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think the taste is alright. I just don't
The
like
first
the like, grainy.
taste, the aftertaste is actually making me rethink.
Mm.
You wouldn't buzzer those.
No, it feels like a bit of that.
It's really grainy in your mouth.
You don't have to brush your
In
teeth.
bits, yeah.
Like the first taste is nice when you're eating it, but it's the after bit is a bit weird. But it's
What-
still really nice.
What we scoring?
6.5.
I'd say 7.
5.
Cool. There we go. What's next?
Right, I'm going to go for a drink because I think we need it.
Yeah.
So this drink is, it looks like this, but I don't know what it
Let's
is.
show the
I have a
camera.
feeling it's going to be like tropical,
That's
but
what
I'm
I
not
thought.
sure.
There you go. That's that.
It is
That's glass.
a classic, wonderfully refreshing drink flavoured with apple and orange.
Oh!
Ooh.
It was launched in Sweden in the early 50s.
It's been about
So
a
during the
while.
war.
70 years.
Just depends on
Nearly
when
70
it
years. 60 something.
Oh!
During the
Oh my
war.
god!
Is it fizzy?
Smell it, smell it, smell it. What's that
Lil.
smell like?
Is
I
it
think it
Lil?
might be. There you go. That smells like.
See, I like Lil, but
And like a little bit of Fanta.
yeah.
Yeah.
Fanta. No, that is what it smells like Fanta.
It looks more of an apple colour.
Yeah, it looks like appetizer.
Yeah.
It does. See, I've learnt what appetizer is now because I didn't know what that was previously.
What is that?
Like a fizzy apple.
Chin chin. Oh, I don't like that at all.
I think it's really fizzy the first sip you take, and then it just goes. It's like fizzy and then it just stops.
Like when you put it like here, and you know when you breathe in,
Yeah.
it's like quite
Really
like
fizzy.
Ginger ale does that.
carbonated.
But when
Yeah.
you swallow it, it feels like you're just drinking like juice.
Don't like that at all.
It's not bad. Like I drink it.
No,
The drinks have not gone well for you, George, have they, today?
no. I'm gonna say
I'd drink that.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
I'd say 3.
George,
Out
you
of
can do
push.
that one.
7.
6 maybe?
That's all right actually. Well, I think it's better than last time because remember when we had it and it was like a still drink in
Yeah.
a can last
Oh,
time.
yeah.
And it
The Oasis
confused,
one.
yeah, it confused us. But
Just doing it all again.
Thought you were getting some more crisps.
Oh, that's... No. Keks. Oh, I think I might have broke them.
You get 2 as well, which is
Yeah. They are
you get a few of each thing actually on some of them.
good. Mm.
chocolate covered wafers, and they've
Mm.
oh no, they've been out in 1921.
Wow. Nearly 100 years.
100 years
100
next
years
year.
next year.
Damn.
See, that seems mad. To
Yeah.
me, 1920 doesn't seem that long ago. It seems like about 60, 70, 80 years ago, not 100.
Yeah,
Like if someone said to me, like, when was 1990 something, that seems not long ago
that's what I was
to
going to say. If
me.
you think about the 90s, that's 30
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah, that's just amazing, isn't it?
Oh, did not expect something like that actually.
Sound like you were undoing a zip.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Sorry,
We're cutting
I'm
on
just
the table.
cutting up the table.
You've given up now.
This is what the
I don't really want to put it next to the coconut
the
thing.
inside looks like. It's just literally just a wafer.
Wafer.
It's a chocolate covered wafer.
Really melty.
There's not a thick layer of chocolate on, is there?
No.
No.
Okay.
Ready?
Nice.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
As far as wafers go.
Quite a light wafer.
Yeah.
Like the wafer of a Pink Panther.
A nice light wafer.
Love those. Yeah. That's really good actually.
I like Pink Panther wafers.
Me too. Yeah.
I'm going to say
Get that.
8.5.
9.
7.
Oh, that's done well.
George.
Do you know what? Things like that, there's not really much to say because they're just nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
You can't go into detail.
yeah, like they're just nice. Like you could just
Some
sit and
people
eat
are wafers, aren't they?
them. Yeah,
Me.
like they're just nice.
You're not a
I
wafer.
really don't like licorice, so we're going to go for this so that we can then get the taste
I
out of
don't
the
like
mouth.
licorice either.
Well, we both have to try it. So this is what they are.
There's a monkey on the packet.
Yeah. Are they like monkey shaped?
The car-shaped sweets were quite cool.
Oh, guys.
No, I don't want to eat it.
This super salty
No.
monkey is a favourite among candy. It's salty licorice.
Is that salt? That is so. The amount of salt. That's no
That's surely
way.
not salt.
That no. George, look how salty that is.
That looks like snow.
Right, I'm getting a
That's
less
pure
salty one.
salt.
You can't see, it's not focusing. That's surely not
No,
salt.
no,
Oh,
no,
my
no,
God.
it's licorice.
Well, that's what I was just looking to see. If
I'm-
I can
I
get a
don't
new
want
one.
that
You can
one.
get a new one because I've touched it.
Mum, they all look like that.
Yeah, because it's salty licorice.
Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna get diabetes.
Okay.
Right. Oh, I really hate licorice.
3.
That's really bad. No. No. I know. I'm gonna have to do that out.
That's what fit.
I could not.
You want to try one thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, come
I need to
here,
try
Mum.
these. You need to try them.
Put that in your mouth and eat that right now.
Put it in your mouth.
Oh, they're disgusting.
Get it off his tongue with his top.
Oh, they're horrible.
It's
Really bad.
It's pure salt.
No, no,
It's literally, look. This is salt on licorice. Pure salt.
Oh, that's
Why is
disgusting.
why is that a thing?
So,
Try it again, Carl.
No, they're horrible. It's really bad.
Dad, do you want to try these?
They're nice.
No.
These are yours. These are yours.
No,
Plop.
I'm just that one.
So then that's the wafer, chocolate covered wafer.
Alright.
We need to have something nice. We need to have something nice.
My turn.
Quick!
Got
This is so disgusting.
PTSD. You know PTSD back used to be called shell shock. We were learning about it. She said people used to say they had shell shock so they didn't have to fight in the war.
Did they?
So these are Got and Blandat. Bland, yeah.
What actually are they?
Courtney?
Right
Take it
now.
away.
You're all still getting over the salty
Yeah.
licorice.
Yeah.
They were really horrible.
You know what? I'm not going to tell you what they are.
I think that's
Okay.
a nightmare.
I'm not going to tell you what they are.
Get off the
My
mic.
guess is licorice. You
Oh,
try one,
no, they
Carl.
are. I just smelled it.
Black one.
They're not. They're not licorice. They're not licorice.
No.
This is a fish.
It's not. It's not like
The red one's fine.
Sweet and salty sweets, and I think the black ones are licorice.
Oh, my red one's fine.
I can't even put it in my mouth.
red one.
Try that.
That's fine.
Red one's nice.
Oh, I don't know what that is, but it doesn't smell too fancy.
Have a black one thing.
Don't have a black one.
Red and orange. Alright.
Have you had a
No,
black
no.
one, Ebs?
No.
Have a black one.
I know.
They taste like jelly babies. No,
Do they?
jelly beans.
Oh.
Have a black one, Ebby. Go
Actually,
on.
that orange one is very nice.
We all took one for the team.
Yeah, because you're not going to like what that looks like.
Is it holy?
Oh.
Is it holy? Oh no, I don't. No, I really don't
What?
like that.
I'm scared of holes.
Where's that hold it?
Oh dear. I'm
You have to
thinking.
bite
about
down it and on your tooth.
No, is it not good? Oh dear.
It took up my toes.
It took so long for the licorice to come through. didn't it?
Yeah, it does. You can eat it and you think, oh, it's not that bad, and then you carry on eating it and you're like,
Mm.
the
Right, what
red
what's next?
ones-
These ones
Do you
are
want to
red.
put the
I'll
chunk
eat
of
it.
biscuit
Oh, yeah.
at the bottom of my cup?
Oh no, thank you. 2 things left.
hang on.
Oh, we've got
So
to rate
I
those
rate
lovely
that.
delicious things.
The red ones, yeah, an 8. I can
Yeah,
eat the
red one's an 8, yeah.
Black ones, no.
0.
Don't do it yourself.
Okay.
It's like if they, you know, when like sweets and like brands and stuff, like split them up. Like you know, in Smarties do like the tubes are just pink ones.
Yeah.
Like
They need to
Sour
do that
Patch
with
Kids,
red.
they're doing just the blue ones now.
Oh,
But they're my favourite. But I
Did I
think
send
they,
you that?
yeah, I think if they just did a bag of the red ones, that would be alright.
That's like
Yeah.
Quality Street. They did those purple ones. You can just
Yeah.
buy
So I
like.
don't like the purple ones.
Yeah,
I like the red ones.
Yeah.
I like
What are the
that.
barrels?
I like the
Or-
barrels.
No, the best ones are the orange ones in foil, the chocolate
Who
orange.
likes them?
Dad?
Me.
I don't
Dad?
like them.
And the Green triangles.
Oh, I like the green
Yeah, I like the
triangles.
green triangles. Honestly,
Well, I
my
reckon we could eat a
favourites
tub together, you know.
My favourites are the orange ones.
Dad, what quality streets do you like? What are your favourites?
The penny.
Oh,
he
who
does.
likes
Always
them?
like them.
Toffee
Okay.
penny.
Second to last, Tutti Frutti Original, gelatin free. It's these little 25-gram box.
I'm excited for these.
Oh, they're all like.
Oh my god, they're literally jelly
I need
beans.
to get one.
They're small.
Whoa, they're really hard as well.
Oh, yeah, they look like them little sweets, you know, that you get out
Midget
the,
gems.
you know, like when you twist the machines for like 20p and you get like a handful of little sweets out.
3, 2, 1.
Looks like a little
It's
vitamin.
really hard.
It looks like a little vitamin like a kid would take.
The sweets are not
Ow.
going down well.
If you've got braces,
Or a filling.
yeah.
Oh,
I don't think I want to eat that.
it's really hard. It's stuck to my teeth.
Don't eat it if it's causing trouble. We want no filling or
I mean, I
teeth
can eat that, but it
breakages.
does look like a
I
biscuit.
think it's one for sucking.
Be careful, Courtney.
Oh, George.
What are we going to score?
Mm,
A 3.
yeah, 3.
Can't even eat it.
So,
2. Right.
it'd
What's
be
the last
like more
thing?
practical if it was like
More
actually
practical.
sweet.
Piggling.
What's a piggling, Courtney?
A piggling is a sour and hard candy
That
I
is.
can't open it.
I thought there was more
with a taste
explanation.
of Swedish ice cream.
Oh.
Ooh.
So per bag, it seems and feels like you get 2 little
Yeah, you get
balls
2
in it.
balls.
Like they feel like harder sweet.
Oh,
Yeah.
Well,
I know,
Use
I
the
know.
scissors if you can't get in.
I've got that tutti frutti thing like in my mouth, like it's really hard.
Oh,
Be careful with them things.
they look like bonbons.
Have they got a little salty coating?
There you go.
Who would like those salt and licorice sweets? I have
Just
so
no
many
idea.
people
of horror.
Oh,
People probably won't.
Does your dad like them?
Probably.
It's a
Ready?
horror film.
This guy. I mean, they're not sour.
Oh, yeah.
They literally, they remind me of like, you know when you get the bags of like rhubarb and custard and the little sweets like that. I feel like that's what they're just like.
Mm.
Mm.
I don't.
Huh?
They've got a weird taste to them.
The middle might be sour.
Yeah, get more to a sour bit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the apple flavour.
They're quite nice actually. They're alright.
Mm.
Is it like on
Oh,
Charlie and the
middle
Chocolate
sour.
Factory when you like suck them and you get through to the different flavours?
Mm.
The
Oh.
middle's definitely sour. Kind of fried.
Changes flavour as it goes through.
No, it's not that sour. Mine's bit in half now. No, they're not sour.
Not well. You get a little bit of a sour
Mm.
coming
A little
through.
bit.
Good if you don't really like sour things. It's nice. It's not too sour.
Mm.
It's a nice note to end on.
Mm.
Like they're nice.
If we ended on them salt, licorices, no, we'd have to eat some or something else.
So, your favourites, let's just go through your favourites.
George,
My favourite was my golden buzzer.
Yeah,
my favourite
Is it
was
still?
my golden buzzer and the what's its.
that weren't what's its.
Yeah.
The cheesy
Cheese
things.
doodles.
Yeah.
Oh, I also like the sour cream and chive lentil crisps.
Yeah. Courtney, what about you?
My golden buzzer, the nugget.
Those biscuits, ballerina biscuits. You like those? That's it. So we've
Dad,
got. Oh, Dad, what did you like?
what was your favourites? Oh, you like these?
Oh, and sweet.
Oh, sorry.
Which
Dad
sweets?
liked these, didn't you?
Yeah, the poly sweets. He likes
They're in the
those.
fridge.
Yeah, that's it. So it's took a bit longer than usual, over an hour, but you enjoyed it. You love the snack surprise boxes, don't
Yeah.
you?
We do.
You really, really do love them. So thank you so much to Snack Surprise for sending us this box. It's gone down very, very well. And thank you to Sweden for letting us try your snacks and your goodies. And if you do want to check out the details in the description down below, then you can. Ebony's got something to tell us in a
Also, for
second.
you guys at home, remember to buy these boxes for every month because it goes to a good charity.
It
The
goes
money
to
when you buy
charity
it.
as well. It does. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all okay. Take care.
Bye
For now.